Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In today's video, I'm gonna give you an overview of how email marketing works in Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Here's where Kajabi shines. So in Kajabi isn't just an email platform, although you can use it just for email, but it certainly costs more than just MailChimp, as it should, because it is everything for your entire online business. It is your website, right? I use it to actually build, it's a website builder, and host my website. So it's your website builder and theme builder and hosting cost every month. So you don't have to pay for hosting. It's your landing pages. So I'm using these for all like opt-ins, sales pages, webinar opt-ins, powerful analytics, which is so helpful on what websites are people clicking on, what pages, what are the trends of your customers, the trends of everything. It's your products, which is what I think people think of for Kajabi, is selling online courses and memberships. And that's what I started using Kajabi for. So all your products, all your offers, collect all your payment. But the marketing is really, really powerful. You can do webinars, you can do all kinds of stuff, but email campaigns is baked in, and it is like MailChimp, but on steroids. So what's awesome is when you do a new email campaign, you can do sequences baked in. So this is really important for your funnel. So this is like, I'll set up a sequence. I have one called new subscriber sequence, and it's usually dated because I'll maybe update it every year. You could tweak that sequence or duplicate the sequence or clone it. And it's just a series of pre-written emails that go out when people opt into your list. But even just a simple broadcast. If you send a broadcast out, Kajabi has totally one-upped MailChimp, in my opinion, with their visual editor. So you've got, look, this looks very familiar, right? Very similar to MailChimp, but then they have all these gorgeous looking templates that are really, really interesting, with a bunch of graphics pre-built in that you can tweak and design to your heart's content. Even if you use the classic editor, which I do, simple emails, it's still powerful, but you have really, really gorgeous looking emails. Let's say this one, get started. Well, this one, test. What's cool is when you open up your email, you have a lot of powerful segmentation. Now, I don't have anybody on this list. This is a dummy account, but let me click over to my main list and show you what I mean by this. So in my actual main Graham Cochran account, I can send an email to all people, to members, that would be just customers. I have a segment called completed new subscriber sequence, and this is powerful. So I have my email sequence when new people go through it. And I've talked about this in a previous Kajabi video. When they get to the end of the sequence, they've received all the emails, I have Kajabi automatically tag them and say they've completed your sequence. So when I want to send an email to my whole list, but I don't want to bother the people in the funnel, I just send an email to everyone who has this tag, who's completed the new subscriber sequence. And it automatically will just send it to those people who are no longer in the funnel. AIA students, so these are just the people who own my Automatic Income Academy product. So if I just want to email them like, hey, I just added a new video in the bonus area, or hey, I'm updating this, or hey, what would you like to see in the course? I can email them. 6FC members, these are my six-figure coaching community members. If I just want to email them, or if I want to exclude those same people, you can do it. So you could do a custom segment, and it's a filter, and you could say, I want to email people who do not have a certain product. This is what I love about having Kajabi with my email, is that it's all integrated. So now I can email people and Kajabi knows if those people own a product or not. You can email people who haven't been delivered an email in the last 30 days, haven't opened an email in the last 90 days. A lot of these things are in MailChimp as well, but the tying it into a lot of the automation and segmentation is really, really powerful. You can create all kinds of automations with tags, so you don't have to have multiple lists. You don't pay any more depending on whatever plan you have for Kajabi, that's all you pay for your email. And you don't have to worry about multiple lists or duplication. You use tags and automation to create a much simpler ecosystem. And look, I'm not a complex person, but Kajabi creates really, really simple automations that makes it really, really easy. So for example, if I go to my automations tab inside of Kajabi, there's a bunch of automations, right? So I've got, let's see, people going through, when people join my six-figure coaching community product, let's say, right? I have an automation set to subscribe them to an email sequence. Then I've pre-written an email sequence that walks them through how to use the membership. And it has them, sends them an email every day for a few days and tells them to do certain actions, and it tells them how to get the most out of the product. That automation is all set up. I've got all kinds of simple automations when people opt in for any of my lead magnets, right? If they opt in for my 90-day income boost cheat sheet, they get subscribed to my email sequence, new subscriber sequence 20. But then there's conditions, right? There's conditions like, don't subscribe them to that email sequence if they've completed the new subscriber sequence. And we know that by a tag that automatically tags people who've completed it. That way, people who've opted in, gone through my funnel, and they opt in for a different lead magnet, they don't go back through my funnel again because they don't need to. They've already been through it once. So Kajabi knows all of this for you and makes it really, really easy. So here's the thing. Kajabi costs more than MailChimp. Why? Because it is way more than MailChimp. MailChimp is one little piece of your online business puzzle. You need an email marketing platform, and MailChimp can do a stellar job at that. It doesn't have all the automation or segmentation that really you're gonna want the moment you start to introduce multiple products, but it can work. I was doing multiple six figures on MailChimp and just kind of kept a real simple email marketing strategy. So yes, MailChimp costs less, but as your list grows, it actually costs more than Kajabi. For example, on MailChimp, I was spending easily $1,000 a month on just email alone, when Kajabi starts at like $119 a month if you go with the annual plan. It's insane to think how much more affordable Kajabi is when you realize that it's email, your website, hosting, landing pages, online courses, membership sites, your webinar platforms, all combined with analytics and data and all kinds of automations, yet it's simple for normal people like us to use. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.